Hi guys, I'm currently filming on my replacement phone because mine's actually broke at the minute. I'm using the 5S, so sorry about the grainy quality. This is a really bad angle. Hold on, let me sort myself out. So it's Wednesday night. I've just uploaded the first video to mine and Alex's channel. We've been like joking around that we're going to do YouTube for ages, and like me and some of our friends will send each other like vlogs on Snapchat, and I was like, do you know what, why don't we just film a video, put it on YouTube, see how it does. I thought it was just funny, like it's just a good hobby, because I'm at uni, and I don't actually do any uni work because I have too much of a busy social life, obviously. So yeah, I just thought this is something to do. So I'm going to start my vlog here. I'm going to do a little vlog. I don't know what I'm going to do tomorrow, but we'll see if I can get any, you know, worthy footage. I've got uni and that's it. So probably won't be very fun. So yeah, I'm just in my oversized hoodie from Trent. That's the uni I'm at. Chilling in my room, probably go to bed soon. There's nothing fun going on over this end. So I'm gonna end this here and see what's cracking in the morning. Good morning everyone, it is Thursday. I've just woke up and I'm in a group chat with everyone on my course, and they're all saying how they're not gonna go in because of the snow, because it's like really bad. So I think I might jump onto that bandwagon and stay at home. I've not actually looked at the snow yet, so I need to get out of bed and see what's going on. Right, so I've just looked out of the window. And to be fair, there is no chance that I am going to uni today. I'm literally going to cocoon myself into this room for the whole day, I think. I'm going to show you what it's like. There is actual, like, a blizzard. I think there has been overnight, so I'm not stepping foot out, which is a shame, because I was going to have a really productive day, go to uni, and then I was going to go shopping. Obviously that's not going to happen anymore, so I'm probably just going to stay at home and do some uni work. I am really annoyed though because I don't have any food in. I am debating going to uni but just wrapping up really well, but I'd literally go to uni and come home and not do anything else. So I don't know what's going to happen. I'll let you know there, but first things first, I'm going to have a shower, freshen up, have a cleaner around, and see what happens after. So, wild decision, but I've decided I'm going to go to uni. You know, you've got to take risks in your life. My outfit for today, I'm wearing this white oversized jumper, and it's got like, it's got like a fleeced hood. That's from Primark. I think it was like £10. This scarf, don't know where it's from. This coat, don't know where it's from. These jeans, don't know where they're from. And my Janoskis, don't know where they're from, to be honest. So yeah, would leave links, but don't know where it's from. See what you need. Just a quick update, I've decided that this weather is actually too torrential for me to walk to uni, so what I'm going to do instead is not go to uni and go to Tesco and get some food, so at least I'm out doing something. I do not think I could be any more glad I did not go to uni. It is literally horrible. I'm actually going to turn my radiator on. So, as you know, I didn't go to uni. I just, in fact, went to Tesco and spent £25. So, Food haul coming up next. Gonna walk you through my big fat Tesco shop where I spend excessive amounts of money that I shouldn't have. So, got some Doritos, Milky Bar, 3 for £5 on Quorn, crazy deal. Got a lasagna and 2 cottage pies. I got pasta and sauce, but I actually can't use this because I didn't get milk because they didn't have soy milk. So, yeah, I'll use that another day. I got Uncle Ben's medium curry, perfect for lunch. Obviously quick and easy because I'm a student, I'm so busy. Some angel slices to snack on. Some seeded bread because I'm a really healthy person these days. I don't eat white bread. Some chocolate filled crepes, which is always a treat. Can't wait to tuck in. A big fat pizza, cheese feast. I don't know how to pronounce this. Spinach and ricotta tortellini, but well, I thought it was tortellini, but it says tortelloni, so let me know. Some frubes, always in my fridge, literally. Oh, 50% extra free, so I get 6 out of 3, 9 frubes. That is crazy. Got some porridge, and these are like the little sachets, but again, I need milk, so that's good. And some wheat crunchies to snack on. So there's my big fat shop. Excessive, didn't need to spend that much, but it's a snow day, and if I get snowed in, then I've got all these supplies. So, I've given Alex my Spotify because she's coming home from uni tonight and she wants a playlist to drive home to. So I said, have my details. And now she's just basically on my Spotify changing every song I put on. So thanks for that. This is currently the song that she has got on the go. Oh, she's changed it again. Right, let me sit down and explain the situation. I got an email from the university saying the uni was closed today from 4 PM and tomorrow. So I thought I would go home early because I go home at the weekends to work. But I thought I'd go early because I've not got uni. So I was talking to Alex and she suggested that we go on a night out. And I was like, yes, great. But then I realised I haven't got my ID. Luckily it's been handed into the uni, so I had to get dressed again, go out, go and collect my ID from uni and walk back, and I swear to God the snow is just getting worse. I'm really unsure whether we should go out tonight because we're going to get caught up in it, but I really fancy a night out in Leicester. I've not had one in so long, so who knows what is going to happen. It's been a very traumatic day, to be honest. So, another update for you. I have just got back to Leicester. I'm in my own bed, which is such a nice feeling. But I think me and Becky and Alex have decided maybe it's not the best idea to come out tonight because of the snow. It is quite dangerous. But I think it's just, I'm happy to be home and cozy. Hi, just updating the vlog again. So we're in Riley's. Having a great time. I'm probably gonna kill myself after this clip has been shot. I'll let you know. Good morning everybody. It is now Friday. So I forgot to end last night's vlog because it got really late. I got home and literally just went to bed, so I'm gonna end it here. I don't know how well this is gonna do. I don't know if this is gonna be just really boring, but let me know and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. So yes, like and subscribe guys.